if you don't remember me, I'm that kid from that video. You remember how I was little? Yeah? I don't remember how much I was, but I know how much I now am. You think I am 7 or 6? No, I am 8. And today I gotta drive with this bike. Yeah, it looks very cool, but there is a little problem. I drive with it, and one piece, like, come here, come. See this piece? It's broken, and I'm gonna change it. It's a carburetor. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna drive with this bike, cool bike. You see, you can come here. You can see this. See? This here is how to work it. Here is how to turn it off. Here is the fuel. I want to tell you, see this? Here is coming smoke. If you turn this off, these troops gonna be so hot. If you have bike, don't touch them when you turn them off. Here is a red shock. Now you gotta see a first new person. Dad, come here.
Hi guys. Well, let's go.
This is my dad. He's gonna help me to fix this bike.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Me buy 2 parts for this bike. This part maybe need because one part there was it can broke, but this is ordinary part, but that part is cool bikes. Now we don't gonna change that part, and of course we buy a carburetor. You remember I told them about that piece? It was broken. How you can see, this is that piece. Here it looks like a front. Here is a back. Here like this. Here you can do like this, but it's so strong. Here is a troop who can go off and go back, and that is carburetor. This is back and this is front. I have to like that, but here you can see this very old piece. Here, do you see? You can there see open box if you want. There's that piece, yeah, new. You can look it up carefully. Now I'm gonna pick up this very old piece. Oh, look! Almost. When I gonna pick that out, I'm gonna show you how it looks like that piece. Almost. Yeah. Piece is completely out. You see, that is that old piece. This is not comfortable. You see, this troop is not taken out. All with oils. Give me that, please. Here you can see. Guys, I please sorry. My dad just put the piece when I want to give him that piece. Just sorry, guys. But you can see it's already put that new piece. you can see that new troop. Here you can see the old piece. Here it is. Old pieces what wasn't need in here, they all fixed it. Now we're gonna go and test it. I'm ready to test this bike. Let's go.
That's all.
You can see my little princess, my beautiful dog. These are so beautiful. Only somewhere he is running out, my dog. Remember, look at my new video, part 2, upgrading my bike. We're gonna upgrade this and here. You're gonna see it's gonna be super cool. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel.